Alright, good morning class. So at this point we're looking at equations and inequalities. We're looking at the example for exercise 4.8, is that correct? 4.7 was homework for yesterday, correct? 4.8. So we're now on examples for 4.9. Okay. So with that, we also acknowledge that there were some sums in 4.8 that you had to use substitution method for, correct? But some of you wanted to use elimination method, or I said you must use elimination method. I probably did, but if I did, it's fine. After today's lesson, you should be able to use elimination, both methods. Right, why? Because the coefficients was not the same, and that was the reason. Not so. However, in example 1 on page 87, for the exercise 4.9 on page 88. Okay. Right. So it says solve the system of equations. We've got 2x minus 3y equals 10 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 42. Write this down quickly. We're going to do the sum together because we already know how to do simultaneous equations. Okay. Right, so we've got equation 1 and equation 2. So looking at this here, what can we say? We can note that firstly, if I add equation 1 and equation 2, I'm going to get 2x plus 4x is 6x, minus 3y plus 5y is 2y, so I won't be eliminating a variable. Not so. If I change to subtraction, 2x minus 4y is minus 2x, minus 3y minus 5y is negative 8y. Did I eliminate the variable? No. We also note that the coefficients are not the same. Remember, that is the note I we wrote down yesterday. But what did I add after that? If the coefficients are not the same, yes?
Make the coefficients the same.
Make the coefficients. Okay, you want to write it down? Nice. The coefficients are not the same, we are going to make it the same. Now, say for argument's sake, you want to eliminate, if you want to eliminate the x, say you want to eliminate the x, okay? Then what is your LCM between 2 and 4? 4. Can you see that? In other words, I must multiply line 2 by 2, the whole line by 2. Then I would get 4x minus 6y equals 20. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
What if you want to eliminate, if you wanted to eliminate the y? What is the LCM there? 15. Now we will multiply the first line by 5, which gives you 10x minus 15y equals 50. And the second line you multiply it by 3, which is 12x plus 15y. Equals 126, I think. You guys understand? So let's go again. So which one of the two you think we're going to eliminate? The x or the y?
X.
The x is smaller. Not so. So again, for that girl that went to the toilet, the difference between the sums of today and the lesson of yesterday is that the coefficients are not the same. Yesterday's lesson was the same. Since it's not the same, we must make it the same. So if we're looking at the x, what's the coefficient of x? We have 2 and 4. What's your LCM between 2 and 4? 4. Okay, so I must multiply line 2 by 2. So you can say equation 2 times 2. Oh, sorry, that's actually equation 1. So equation 1 times 2. If I multiply this by 2, it then gets 4x minus 6y is equal to 20. Absolutely. So this is now equation. Not so. Do I need to multiply equation 2 by anything? Why? Because the coefficients are already the same. So that is just 4x plus 5y equals 42. And this is equation 2. I rule a line here. Are you all with me now? Who's confused? Any of the people that didn't do the homework, you're confused or any? Understand 100%? Right. Like it. No? So do we add the two lines or do we subtract? No? Why? So that the x's can cancel. We don't want the x in our life, not so? Yeah. We cancel. Right. So what do? We're going to subtract equation 3 and 2. Okay, leave your x. Okay. I know that one's upset now. So on the x, no? But anyway. So if we subtract, people, what's going to happen? We're going to change the signs on the line. Alright. Why? Who can tell her why? Why you want to subtract? Cancel is or eliminate. That's what we want to do. Change the one at the bottom, yes. Make that the rule. Okay. Because when we mark the homework, I've noted that you guys are making a mistake. Don't know when to put it. So we just make it a universal or what's the name of rule there? That we'll just change the signs on the line. Okay, we'll make it then easier. So what is 4x minus 4x? Cancel. What's minus 6y minus 5y? Negative 11y. Equals 20 minus 42. You all got that? So 12 for y quickly? Okay, you too fast for me. Divide by negative 11 both sides. So y is equal to? So what do I do now? No, don't subtract it. No. Substitute it. So do you substitute it quickly? I can go into any of the previous sums. Okay, relax people. You can go into any of the previous sums, not equations. Not so? So which one you want me to substitute it in? Substitute y is equal to 2 into equation 3. Why equation 1? It's the sum of one of the two. Because 3 still has a coefficient, a factor of 2 as well. Okay, so if you had substituted into 2, into 3, no problem, you get the same answer, correct answer. Okay, I'm just going to go with 1. Then what should I write? 2x, what is y? 2, no? 2x minus 3 times 2 equals 10. Which is now what? 3 times 2 is? 6. Take it over. So 2x is equal to 10 plus 6, which is 16. So x is? So y is 2 and x is? You guys understand? Yes. Alright. So let's look at example. Okay. Oops. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video at this point and give you a chance to do exercise example 2 on page 87, and then we'll do it together again on the board. Okay? Right. So most of you got the right answer. No. Right. People, we're going to eliminate the x. Let's get rid of our x. So what is your LCM here? We said it's 12. So this line must be multiplied by 3. And this line must be multiplied by 4. Why? 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. So if we say equation 1 times 3, it's going to give us 15y plus 12x equals 27. Then we see the equation 2 must be multiplied by 4. Not so? So y times 4, 16y. Negative 3x times 4, 32 times 4, 128. You sure? Yes. Right. So, the question is, must I change the signs on the line? Why not? If I add it, it will cancel. Now, so you see here, there's negative and positive here. You see? So, do I need to change the signs on the line? No. So what do we say now? We can add. So it's going to give you 31y. That cancels. Equals 155. Not so. How do you get y on its own? Divide by 31 both sides. So y works out to be? So what do I do now? Substitute y is equal to 5 into equation 1. You're going to substitute y is equal to 5 into equation 1. This is equation 1. So what do we write? 5 times 5 plus 4x equals 9. Not so? What's 5 times 5? 25. What's 9 minus 25? Negative 16. Divided by 4 both sides. The x is negative. So x is negative 4 and y is 5. People, any confusion there? Huh? You will understand. Okay. So what I want you guys to do now is exercise 4.9. We do for me number 2, A, C, E, G, I, and K. There's every alternate sum, no? So it's 2, A, C, E, G, I, and K. Okay. Right, I'm going to call you up row by row now to check and see what you guys have done, okay?